Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a plugin for Jekyll called Pagemaster, and what this plugin does is takes data from JSON or CSV or some type of data form and converts all of the entries within that data structure into markdown files so you can edit and add things and generate pages within Jekyll for them. So here you'll see on the right, I just have a plain Jekyll website, and we're going to use a plugin called Pagemaster. And if we go into their documentation, we'll see that we need to add the plugin at a few different places. So we need to add it in the gem file, and we need to add it in the config file. And let's do a bundle install to pull down that data from the plugin. And we should see it install here in our project. We're going to edit the config like this. So say we want a collection of trees. I'm going to say the trees collection. The output is true. The data source is going to be whatever we name it. So let's do like trees.json. The ID key is going to be the identifying data per page. So let's get some JSON here we can use. All right, so we're going to create a new folder _ data, just like the documentation says, and we're going to create trees.json. We're going to throw this in here. So we'll see the data. We have first name, city, state, and postal code. So we're going to use whatever is unique here. Let's use the postcode just for this demonstration for the ID key. And the layout we're going to keep as default. Or we'll use the post, actually. Post layout. All right, now we want to run this command, which is bundle exec Jekyll Pagemaster, and then whatever the collection is. So the collection here is trees, and we'll see we get a check mark done. So if we look, we have a new collections directory _ trees with all of this information, and the identifier is the markdown file name, which is what we picked out. And now if we want to loop through them, we can with a for loop. So now that we see the _ trees directory with all the markdown files in it, I'm going to just create a simple for loop, which is a unordered list. And inside it, we're going to do the for loop for list items, and we're going to do the link to each of the pages. So for trees in site.trees. So this information is coming from the config file, the collection. It's coming from what's right here. So site.trees is this collection. So we will do a hyperlink, which is the trees.url, and we're going to use trees.postalcode to write out the list of trees. That's what we use as the identifying key, so I just figured that's what we'll post. We could do first name. Let's do first name. I know that there's one that's repeated, so it might look a little funny, but let's do first name. And I'm going to do bundle exec Jekyll serve, and this is going to load on port 4000, and here we'll see the list of names, and if we click into one, it'll take us to each individual page. So let's go to Hank. There's Hank. We got Hank's postal code, which generates as the title. We got the metadata, which is when the actual file was created. Let's find Hank's file here. Here's Hank's file, and we'll do some info about Hank. Let's save that. And there's the information we just put in. If you learned something, hit like on the video. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Have a great day.